Have you ever wondered how to grow your own potatoes at home? It's simpler than you might think. Imagine the freshness, the constant availability, and the sheer joy of harvesting your own produce. In just a few easy steps, you can harvest your own fresh potatoes right from your backyard. Start by choosing organic potatoes from your local grocery store. These tend to sprout better than non-organic ones, giving you a head start. From russets to reds, any variety is fair game. Once you have your potatoes, you are ready to start the planting process. Now it's time to prepare your potatoes for planting. Begin by cutting the potatoes into chunks, each with at least 1 or 2 eyes or sprouts. These sprouts are crucial as they are the birthplace of your future potato plants. With your potatoes prepared, it's time to move on to planting. Planting potatoes is a straightforward process. Begin by finding a sunny spot in your garden. Then, prepare the soil by enriching it with compost or well-rotted manure. This enhances the fertility of the ground, giving your potatoes the best chance to thrive. Next, plant the potato chunks about a foot apart. This gives them ample space to grow. Cover them gently with soil, tucking them in for their growth journey. Once your potatoes are planted, all you need is a little patience and care. Caring for your potato plants is essential for a good harvest. Regular watering is key, but remember, too much can lead to rot. A happy medium is what we're aiming for. As your plants grow, a neat trick is to pile on more soil. This encourages the development of more potatoes. Not only does it boost your yield, but it also keeps them from turning green and bitter. With proper care, your potato plants will flourish and provide you with a bountiful harvest. The moment of truth is here. It's time to harvest your potatoes. When your plants have died back, that's your cue. Gently dig around the plants and voila, you'll find your homegrown potatoes. Congratulations! You've grown your own potatoes right at home. Growing your own potatoes at home is a rewarding and enjoyable experience. It's a simple way to bring fresh organic produce to your table. Why not give it a try? If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!